Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in YouTube Kids. To change the language in your YouTube Kids application, first of all, open up the YouTube Kids app on your device and log into your account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Now, you'll need to go ahead and enter your passcode in order to get to the next page. This will then open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, go ahead and tap on App Language. This will now take you to your device's language setting page. Go ahead and tap on Language, and from the list of available languages, choose the language of your preference. After making a selection, you will then be able to change your YouTube Kids app language. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more YouTube Kids tutorial. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.